Hey y'all, I'm nowhere near a mechanic, but this is the second time doing these drain plugs. I did it on our white Alpha here, and I'm about to do it on our newer tan one. About to remove this inner fender well to reveal the tip of the drain plug where it goes. There's a grommet that pokes out back under there, so I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, so we removed the clips along this edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. There, and there are the clips. So now we remove this inner panel. Make sure to wipe out your inner panel here and there. We're going to look right up into here and see that little guy right there. That's the rubber grommet. We're going to trim the tip of that thing about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. And that's going to remove the plus shaped pattern that holds all the gunk. Alright, so you see the grommet? See the clippers? I'm just going to take just a little bit off. Move the camera. See that? There we go. Took off about, where are my pliers? See the tip inside of there? So now, the thing's going to be able to move water a lot quicker. Not get all gunked up so easily. Let's see if I can get some nice little, yeah. Oh yeah. See all that gunk? Don't want none of that. Oh yeah. Alright, and then you put your fender back on and hope that everything's good next time. If it's not, you gotta trim a little bit more. You got a little bit more room. Good luck. God bless.